Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off VoiceOver Sound Curtain on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on VoiceOver. Then tap on Braille. Next, we scroll down and tap on Sound Curtain. So tap on OK button from the pop-up to start. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch off Sound Curtain. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.